In this episode, we're going to be making foil packet chicken dinner. Foil packet dinners are one of the easiest dinners that you can make. Now, because we're using pantry staples, we are using 1 can of mushrooms and 1 can of green beans. You just mix them in together in your bowl and stir them up. You can also add any spices like salt or pepper that you might desire. Once you've mixed your vegetables, set them aside and then lay out 1 piece of aluminum foil per serving that you're wanting to make, and then spray it with cooking spray. Lay out the bed of your dinner by putting down about 1/4 cup of rice. The rice should already be cooked. After you've put down your rice, then on top of that add your chicken. Now you want your chicken to go in raw, there's no need for it to be cooked. Lay out about 1 chicken breast or 2 to 3 chicken tenders. If you like, you can also season this chicken. You can use garlic salt, onion salt, something like that. Then you want to top it off with your mixture of beans and mushrooms. Now this is a good spot to say that it doesn't require beans and mushrooms here. You can put whatever vegetables you prefer. I've made this before using mixed vegetables. The beauty of the foil packet dinner is that it is very, very configurable. One thing we're going to do with this though is we're going to top it off with a little bit of our cream of mushroom soup. Close up your packet, seam side up, and put it into your oven on a cookie sheet. You want to make sure that you cook this at 425 for about 30 to 40 minutes. The important thing is that you check it at the 30-minute mark and hit that chicken with a meat thermometer to make sure that it's thoroughly cooked, at least 160 degrees. If it hasn't reached that, you may have to leave it in a few more minutes. You can also cook this on the grill. Your time will vary a little bit, but the same rules apply. You want it to get to at least 160 degrees. So now we have one of the packets that has come out of the oven. We'll just open it up here and you can see the steam just coming out, and there we have it. A lot of juicy goodness in there. You can see our mushrooms, our beans, and the chicken. Now we'll put this on a plate. I can tell you that this was one really, really good dinner. So that's it for this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen. Invite you to like and subscribe, hit the notify button, and I thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.